Precision starts long before machines ever turn.
Every journey begins where nature does its quiet work.
Only ripeness earns its place.
Consistency is harvested one step at a time.
Movement keeps the harvest alive.
Handled gently, even in volume. Protection begins at the source. Traceability is never optional.
The first transport begins here.
Careful lifting preserves the harvest. Every transfer matters. Volume grows, standards remain.
The field releases what it's ready to give.
Now the journey accelerates.
From soil to system.
The harvest moves forward. This is where nature meets engineering.
Human signals guide heavy systems.
Safety locks everything in place. Connections are made deliberately.
Machines move with restraint.
Weight handled with precision. The product crosses the line. Positioning prepares the process. Order precedes movement.
Data enters the system.
Every batch earns its identity.
First checks happen instantly.
Clearance moves things forward.
Machines stand ready.
Direction is set.
The system wakes up. The factory takes control. The first transformation begins with movement. Unwanted elements are left behind. Separation is silent, but exact. Cleanliness starts gently.
Controlled environments replace open air.
Density guides direction. Nothing moves without control.
Moisture is reduced, not rushed.
Air replaces touch.
Excess is guided away.
Human eyes remain essential.
Imperfection is intercepted early.
Only the best move ahead.
Balance is restored.
Sorting feeds transformation. The environment evolves.
Flow is buffered, never stopped.
Now, processing truly begins. The core system receives its load. Flow is measured, never guessed. Uniformity begins with size. Nothing is wasted. The mainstream advances. Technology sharpens judgment.
Every berry is seen.
Decisions happen in milliseconds.
Accuracy protects quality. Only verified product moves on. Measurement happens on the move.
Balance is continuously corrected.
Safety checks stay invisible. Trust is verified. Impact is engineered out.
Conditions are standardized.
The base state is achieved. Transformation is next. Transformation begins with temperature.
Controlled cold takes over.
Movement prevents clumping. Freshness is locked in place. Precision governs every degree.
Uniformity is engineered.
Human oversight remains constant.
Timing defines quality.
The transformation completes. Cold releases its hold.
Individually free by design. Surface purity matters.
Stability follows change.
Verification never stops.
Correction stays gentle.
The new state is complete.
Now automation takes control.
Scale meets precision. Automation multiplies consistency.
Balance is calculated continuously.
Accuracy is tuned, not assumed. Data watches what eyes can't. Corrections happen instantly. Loss is minimized.
And there's a gauss effect. This is not the white boots and wearing shirt. As I show that off, you're even the all is out.
Performance is visible.
Flow stays even. Stability protects precision. Cleanliness is automated. Safety is never singular.
Many lines become one.
Nothing unnecessary is removed.
Systems report readiness.
Automation hands off carefully.
Final refinement awaits.
Control reaches its peak. Final precision begins here. Uniformity is enforced.
Nothing passes unchecked.
Visual standards are absolute. Purity is refined. Balance is perfected. Before confirmation.
Human judgment signs off.
Even one matters.
This line is cleared.
Verification is next.
Stability protects quality.
Conditions remain constant.
Control is organized.
Identity follows the product.
The final test approaches.
Proof replaces assumption.
Quality takes custody. Verification begins with sampling.
The lab receives its evidence.
Discipline defines accuracy.
Quality is quantified.
Weight confirms consistency.
Internal balance is measured. Cold integrity is verified. Safety goes beyond sight. Invisible risks are checked. Traceability stays intact.
Results move fast.
Data becomes decision.
Authority confirms release.
Clearance is issued.
The product is cleared.
The final stage begins.
Proof is preserved.
Now it's ready for the world. The final form takes shape.
Accuracy is engineered at scale.
Protection becomes permanent.
Every unit is confirmed.
Safety is sealed in.
Speed meets precision.
Identity travels with the product. Contained and protected. Structure replaces motion. Structure replaces motion.
Stability is locked in.
Ready for distribution.
Freshness waits patiently.
Prepared for demand. The final movement begins. From factory to world.
The process is complete. And this is how modern factories produce blueberries from start to finish.
Precision powers the modern world.